Hello and welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is our How To series where we talk about how to navigate through our platform. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. To visit our website, you can search longswitchacademy.com on your system's browser. So let's begin. Today we will see how to contact us through our platform. As you can see, this is the homepage of our platform. We need to navigate to the contact button and click on the contact. This will redirect us to the Contact Us page of our platform. To further get in touch with us, you need to fill all these details. So let's do that. Your full name, will fill the email address, your phone number, the relevant subject regarding which you want to contact us, and I have the description copied with me. I'll paste it here. As you can see, I have explored all the free ebooks and have found them really insightful. I would also like to explore the paid ones, for which I'm requesting a preview. Now let's submit it. As you can see, there is a successful submitted request message here. If you have any doubts, you can contact us through our platform in this manner by filling all the details. That's it for this video. If you have any further queries, you can drop your comment in the comment section. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. Thank you.